Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to take long exposure photos without a tripod on the Samsung Galaxy A56. So the first thing you're going to do is open up the Photos app or the Camera app and then click on More and select Night. So this is basically the night mode on the Samsung phone, and basically you don't really need a tripod to take any photos, because compared to like professional cameras on the phones, it's much more simpler to take photos, so you don't really need that much stability. And to basically take a photo and change the exposure, you just need to look at the bottom right here, and it will tell you the amount of seconds it's going to take the long exposure photo. So right now it's 9 seconds, and what you just need to do is have steady hands and just keep the phone still while it's taking a photo. You don't really need as much of stability. So just you could be holding your phone and take a photo like that, and it's going to take like a few seconds, as much as it says on the bottom right there, and the photo will be taken. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.